Can you delete account bio history on Instagram? So let's get started. To delete or clear your Instagram bio history, you might be referring to the previously used text or information that was saved in your bio profile. So here, simply go to the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen and go to your profile. Now, once you are here in your profile, tap on the three dashboard in the top right corner of your screen and go to settings and privacy. Now here, scroll down and look for the your activity option available there and simply tap on it. Once inside your activity, look for the account history by scrolling down and tapping on the account history option available there. Now here you can see the all account history option available. Now to go to the only bio section, tap on the update option available in the top right corner, tap on the bio, then tap on the next option available. Now here you can see all the bios you have it saved or created on your Instagram profile. So basically you cannot remove all of this. This will be saved here, but it is private. No one will be able to see it except for you. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.